Hey, good evening, everybody. Making a little pasta here, having some wine. And while I'm waiting for the dinner to cook, I'm just starting a new doll here. I did the ears with a sheepskin and a sweatshirt. It's actually an old Abercrombie and Finch sweatshirt I had. And right now I'm gonna do a little piece of the arm. This is gonna be like the hand, and this is gonna be the clothes, the arm. There we go. And there we go. And then that's what it looks like. And then I'll probably sew the two pieces together like that. And then that makes the arm. Probably use a little more sheepskin on it, and we'll see. I also have like some of this pineapple hibiscus fabric. All right, hope everybody's having a great week so far. Take care. Bye. All right, here's Granny Green Snout. She's visiting a piece of the Berlin Wall here. If you like her and other dolls, the link to my shop is in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Patreon.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, la la la, pee, waka waka, hey, boom, boom.
Please consider supporting our channel by joining us at Patreon.